Chapter 2, Section 3. We're going to talk about changes of matter. Physical changes are ones that affect the physical properties without changing the identity of the substance. So for example here, crushing this can, that's a physical change. That's something that could be undone. It didn't change the identity of the can. Melting, cutting, and crushing would all be examples of physical changes. A physical property of aluminum is its flexibility. If I bend a piece of aluminum, it's undergone a physical change. The identity of the aluminum has not changed. Chemical changes happen when one or more substances are changed into entirely new substances with different properties. Some of the hallmarks of the chemical change: did it fizz? Did it produce bubbles? Did it give off a smell, an aroma? Replacement. Did anything get replaced in the original substance? Did the temperature change? Did it either get very hot or very cold? Or finally, did it produce a whole new substance? Those are all signs that a chemical change has occurred. Here we see a chemical change occurring as the match burns. You can tell a chemical reaction has occurred if the products are different from the reactants. So what you end up with is very different than what you started with. If there's no change, then it was not a chemical reaction. Ice melting is not a reaction. It's a physical change. So let's look at some examples here. If we cut a piece of ice in half, would you think that would be chemical or physical? Physical. Activating an instant ice pack, making it cold, would be a chemical change that's occurring inside of that pack. Melting ice, is it something we can undo? Have we actually changed the water? We haven't, so that makes it a physical change. Baking flour, sugar, egg, and water together, we're definitely going to end up with something very different, so that would be a chemical change.